Let me ask you something honestly. If you're thinking about quitting YouTube right now, you're not crazy, you're not behind, and you're definitely not alone. But before you make that decision, you need to understand one very important thing. YouTube has changed, not a small update, a big one. And if you understand how the new AI-driven algorithm works, you'll realize why quitting now would be like leaving the party just when the food arrives. Yes, I'm talking about YouTube's AI system, powered by Gemini. So stay with me, because this information can completely change how you look at YouTube in 2025 and 2026. What actually changed on YouTube? For a long time, people believed YouTube worked on simple things: keywords, tags, thumbnails, and maybe luck. That era is over. Today, YouTube uses advanced AI, Gemini, to understand content almost like a human. This AI does three main things. It watches your video, it listens to your video, and it reads your title and description, not just scanning words, actually understanding context. In simple terms, YouTube no longer guesses what your video is about. It knows what your video is about. That's a massive shift. How Gemini actually evaluates your video. Here's where most creators get confused, so listen carefully. Gemini doesn't ask, is this creator famous? It asks, does this video deliver what it promises? The AI checks what topic the video is actually covering, whether the visuals and narration match the title, how viewers react once they start watching. If your title says one thing, but your video talks about something else, Gemini notices. If your description explains the topic clearly, Gemini understands faster. This means clarity beats cleverness. No more tricks. No more gaming the system. Just clear, honest information. Funny enough, the algorithm finally wants what viewers always wanted. Why this is great news for small creators. Now here's the part that should make you sit up straight. This new system actually helps small and new creators. Why? Because Gemini doesn't care about your subscriber count. It cares about understanding your content and matching it to the right audience. Think about it like this. Instead of shouting in a crowded market, YouTube now quietly walks your video to the people who actually want it. That's a game changer. A video with 200 subscribers, but clear information can now compete with a channel that has 200,000 subscribers, but vague content. Level playing field. Finally. Why most people will still fail. Now let's be real for a second. Even with all this opportunity, most people will still fail. Not because the system is unfair, but because they quit too early. Here's the mistake. Creators upload a few videos, don't see results, and assume the algorithm hates them. But Gemini needs data. It needs patterns. It needs consistency. YouTube is basically saying, show me who you are, repeatedly. If you stop, the conversation ends. Consistency is the price of admission now. No shortcuts. What you should actually focus on. So what should you focus on? Not perfection, not viral dreams, not copying others. Focus on these three things. 1. Clear topic per video. One video equals one main idea. Don't mix 5 lessons into one video. 2. Honest titles and descriptions. Say exactly what the video delivers. No clickbait gymnastics. 3. Consistent uploads. Even one good video per week beats 10 videos in 1 month, and then silence. Slow and steady wins the race. Yes, it's an old idiom, but it's old because it's true. Why? 2026 will be easier, not harder. Here's the part most people don't see coming. As AI improves, content creation gets easier, but discipline doesn't. Most creators will quit because they want fast results. They want validation. They want overnight success. When they quit, competition drops. Viewers don't disappear. Demand doesn't disappear. Only creators do. That's why 2026 won't be easier for everyone. It'll be easier for those who stayed. Quick reality check. Let me say this clearly. You don't need a camera, a microphone, a studio, a perfect accent, or a fancy setup. You need clear information, a repeatable process, and patience. That's it. No smoke, no mirrors. Conclusion: strong, motivating close. So if you're feeling tired, unmotivated, or invisible on YouTube, good. That means you're normal. But now you're informed. Gemini is not here to replace creators, it's here to understand them. And creators who provide clear, honest value will benefit the most. Don't quit now. Not when the rules finally make sense. Keep uploading, keep improving, and let the algorithm learn who you are. Because in 2026, the creators who stayed will be the ones people suddenly call lucky. And we both know luck had nothing to do with it. Please make sure to subscribe to get more informative video like this. Bye bye.